All right, y'all, let's get these French fries started. As you can see, I have 2 large russet potatoes that I peeled and washed. Now I'm cutting them lengthwise as evenly as I can, and they're about 1/2 inch thick. And you want to make sure that you don't cut yourself, first of all. And if you have a mandolin that cuts thick, that's the perfect thing to use. But once you get them all cut lengthwise, then you're going to lay them flat and cut about 4 times across the potatoes so that you can form your French fry. And once your French fries are cut, then you'll see that you have restaurant style homemade French fries. And people will look at your fries and say, man, did you cut those fries yourself? Or did you get them from the restaurant? You see? You see how they look? And I may have to cut a few of them because some of them came out just a little thick. So I want to slice those down the middle and make them as uniform as I can with the other strips. The French fries are all cut and sitting in this cold water. And what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to drain this water out of the French fries, and then we're going to lay them flat on a paper towel to get the extra moisture and water out. So when we place them in the hot grease, there won't be a big splatter. Make sure your grease is at least 360 degrees, and you don't want to overcrowd your skillet or pot. So cook them up, and then they'll look like this. Don't they look good? Get your ketchup, your hot sauce, or whatever sauce you want to put on it, and start eating.